Anyhill has sent me another electric scooter. Last time they sent me the UM1, this time the UM2. Let's unbox it. Before I knock all the styrofoam off, looks like we've got a box, charging brick inside the box. Oh, a key, Allen keys, and could be a battery compartment lock or something, I'm not sure. We'll figure all that out in a moment. And the other one, it looks like, oh, interesting. It's kind of cool. The handlebars. Let's get this attached. Well, this is really neat. Huh. So that must be, there was a key over here. Oh. Well, that is really neat. Little portable battery. So I suppose you could order more batteries if you wanted extra range. The difference between the two is quite different. This seems a little bit more solid. The old one was solid. The UM1's quite solid. This one has a bigger battery, sorry, a bigger motor. This one, the UM1 had a 350 watt motor. This has a 450 watt motor. But wow, removable battery. That's really cool. So let's get the top piece here attached. Looks pretty straightforward. Plug that in. Pretty straightforward there. Oh wow, the kickstand's different too. The kickstand is like a moped style, motorcycle style. That's really cool. This is intriguing as well. I'm not sure what that's for, but 5 screws, maybe that's an extra one. I'll take 4 of them. So I slide in here, but the 4 screws have to go in here. But check this out. It just slides up. So once it's in position, you slide that up. I think that's really smart. The engineering on this is really quite remarkable. That's it. A little tool to the job. Back to the instructions.
To the Batcave. We haven't one moment to lose.
When it arrives, the UM2 has the brake line not attached to the brake. So just depress the brake. Make sure that little round thing fits in to the hole up there. And it slides through the gap. When you release the brake, just give it a little bit of a pull. And now you have a brake, plus a bell. Love these bells. It's a charging port. That's adorbs. I like that. Really cool engineering. Just gonna flip it over and see what it's like underneath. Oh, just nice and smooth. Again, I really like this style of kickstand. No sharp corners for me to get my ankles all chewed up. So I did have to get out my trusty little screwdriver because even though this is a really interesting device, the way it works is it presses it in, or you push in, and then you put your finger in here and pull this. Well, I wasn't sure how hard to actually pull, so I just put my screwdriver in there and it released it no problem. So I suspect what I actually have to do is just adjust this a little bit. There must be some kind of mechanism inside here just to do a fine-tune adjustment. Thank you to Anyhill for shipping me up the UM1 and the UM2 now. I'm going to be doing a review of the UM2, then I'm going to be doing a review or a comparison between the UM1 and the UM2. Coming soon.